What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'm going to be giving an update on ICP. Make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. No.
So just to give a little recap, this was ICP in my video just 5 days ago, trading at $11.04. And I had it drawn on a falling wedge and I called out the massive Class A bullish divergence. Fast forward to the current ICP chart and we were trading right around $12.50. So had you guys taken this trade, you could have made right around 14% gains in 5 days, which are actually pretty incredible gains. And if you guys enjoy making gains in the crypto market, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will go deeper into the ICP chart at the end of the video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. But as I was saying, ICP is currently trading right around $12.50. Its market cap is $5.7 billion, which ranks 16th among all cryptocurrencies. And I actually believe that 16th is the highest that ICP has been ranked, at least in recent times, which also means that ICP is just holding its levels better. Because it was only about 2 weeks ago that ICP was trading at $16.30. But after Bitcoin crashed, a lot of other cryptos crashed. ICP just happened to not crash as much. Now, ICP's circulating supply is about 456 million out of a total supply of 513 million. And then if you guys are looking to trade ICP, I recommend using Binance or Coinbase. I think those are the two easiest centralized exchanges to use. But now we'll go ahead and hop into the Dfinity X account, which has 684,000 followers. And they just posted 20 hours ago, the Bitcoin Flower Gen 2.0 is about to be revealed. Congratulations on the second anniversary of this unique, fully on-chain collection. These dynamic NFTs have animated petals responding to Bitcoin market fluctuations, only possible on ICP. Now, I'm going to be honest, I personally have never been huge into NFTs, but the reality is that they brought a lot of hype into the crypto market last bull run. So it's never a bad thing to see that ICP is involved with NFTs. And then on January 26th, they replied to Dominic's tweet on January 25th, which was an internet computer subnet has been upgraded to use the all-new ICP peer-to-peer protocol layer, and its finalization rate is up to a consistent 25%. So ICP relies on a peer-to-peer protocol to distribute messages across nodes of each subnet. Rollout of a new peer-to-peer layer has commenced, and it's improved network performance and easier detection of node misbehavior. And this is one of those things where anytime they are continuing to improve the network, it's going to be bullish for a project. And ICP appears to be doing upgrades pretty much every time I talk about them, which is a very good thing to see. But now I want to talk about Dominique's tweet on January 24th because I think this is very important. So he said, "Crazy. I keep meeting major crypto journalists, investors, and project CEOs who are unaware that ICP creates blockchain networks you can actually build systems and services on, not just hosted tokens and NFTs." And he said, "Largest R&D operation in crypto since early 2018. And again, I think this is extremely important to actually understand. Think about it. As we were just saying, ICP is currently ranked 16th among all cryptocurrencies, and they have a market cap of 5.6 billion, which is actually starting to get up there with a lot of other major layer ones. And the most impressive thing about all of that is what he just said. A lot of people are unaware that ICP creates blockchain networks you can actually build systems and services on. And personally, I think a lot of people still look way too deep into ICP's all-time chart, and they don't understand that ICP was severely manipulated at its launch by FTX. So if some of you guys watching this video are still deciding whether or not you actually want to buy ICP, I recommend doing a lot more research into the project than just looking at the all-time chart, because this project is way bigger than just a chart. But now we'll take a look at some macro news that could affect ICP's price action, even though it's not directly correlated to ICP. So this is Watcher Guru's Twitter, and they posted on January 25th, the US government files notice to sell $130 million worth of Bitcoin seized from Silk Road. Now, the reality is that there are going to be a lot of people who perceive this in a very different way. And the main difference of opinion is going to be why the US government is actually going to sell the Bitcoin. Because if you look around, Bitcoin is clearly not going anywhere. They quite literally just got their Bitcoin spot ETFs approved. So pretty much all of the major investment firms outside of Vanguard are offering ETFs, which naturally is going to give Bitcoin a lot of power. So now you have to ask yourself, what incentive does the US government have to actually sell their Bitcoin? And I'd be very curious to hear your guys' opinions, so let me know down in the comments. And to go along with that, they also posted that Blackrock now holds 45,688 Bitcoin worth over 1.8 billion for their Bitcoin spot ETF. Again, I cannot stress enough, Bitcoin and crypto are not going anywhere. That is becoming abundantly clear. So anytime we have a major correction in crypto, I highly recommend just looking at the bigger picture and just understand that these major dips could be an excellent buying opportunity. But anyways, while we're on X, you guys should come over and give your boy a follow at Crypto Now or Never. I've recently been trying to grow my X account. I've been posting on here pretty much every single day, and I've actually been making some very profitable calls, so stay tuned. But I also have another opportunity for you guys. So I have launched a private Discord through Patreon, and my Discord provides many benefits. This is for those of you guys that want closer access to me. For example, you guys will have access to cryptos that I am buying, selling, considering buying, and even cryptos that I currently hold, which could give you a significant leg up on the competition, as a lot of these cryptos are microcap gems, less than 10 million in market cap, meaning that they could absolutely explode during the bull run, theoretically turning $10,000 into $1 million. So if this sounds like something you guys might be interested in, I have the link right here in my YouTube homepage. It's in the description. But now for the final part of this video, I'll get into some technical analysis. So this is ICP on the daily time frame. And as I said, had you guys taken this initial falling wedge trade, you could have made up to 14% gains in 5 days. But anyways, what am I seeing right now? So the first thing is that the RSI and stochastics are both neutral. They do have room to keep coming up. In addition, if you look at price action, we swing from a lower low to a higher low. The RSI is higher low to lower low, which is a massive Class A bullish divergence. Now, obviously, there is an argument that we just got that bounce, but oftentimes it will be even higher than this, and it could hit the measured move. And the measured move for this particular falling wedge was $14.19. So we'll see if that ends up playing out. Now, what I will also say is that in my previous video, I said the number one thing I'm watching is whether or not price action can get back above the 21-day moving average. And actually, at the current moment, we have gotten back above it. So I will be curious to see if we actually close a candle above. By the time you guys are watching this video, we will know whether or not we did so. So just to be crystal clear, the number one thing I'm watching in the short term is whether or not price action can close above the 21-day moving average. If we can, there is a high likelihood that we nail this measured move. But if we cannot and we break right back beneath it, we could end up bearishly retesting and falling all the way down to $8.50. But at the current moment, that seems pretty unlikely unless Bitcoin crashes. Now, lastly, I will take a look at Bitcoin as it's correlated to most altcoins. Now, for Bitcoin, there still hasn't been a whole lot that's changed since my last ICP video. As most of you guys know, we practically nailed the measured move on Bitcoin, but then we had a hard rejection, and price action broke beneath both the 21-day and the 50-day. So I've been saying in all of my videos that if we cannot get back above the 21-day and 50-day, I would look for more downside. And there was a chance that we fell all the way down to 38,290. Now, we did not end up hitting those levels. We hit 38,555, so just above them. However, unlike ICP, where it has gotten back above the 21-day, Bitcoin has not. So there is definitely still a chance that we come up and bearishly retest. So I'm going to keep it very brief on Bitcoin. If we cannot get back above these moving averages, then 38,290 is still in play. And if somehow we broke beneath that, then 35,000 would be the next level I'd be watching for. But also, as I say in every single one of my videos, macroeconomics significantly outweigh technical analysis. So just understand, there are some events that could significantly impact price action. The reality is that crypto is an extremely volatile asset class. Anything can happen. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think ICP will go next bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.